Welcome to the Operations Evaluation Web Tool Training Series. In this training video, you will learn how to review the Level 2 evaluations for safety, operations, and ITS. You will also learn how to send the evaluation back to the project manager for review. The RTRL Stage 3 training syllabus includes the following: training and web tool requirements, final review and completion overview, final review and completion video walkthrough, and your next steps. For this class, you will need the following: your web browser and this video, RTRL Stage 3 Training Guide. To follow along and access the Operations Evaluation solution, you will need the following: your Windows login credentials, two-factor authentication activation for OnBase through Ping, an account in the OnBase web tool created after you have logged in the first time, and the OnBase website shown here. This training video assumes that you have watched the basic overview and login video. If you have not logged in or watched the video, please do those tasks before you proceed. Before we get started, please note the following. The Stage 3 RTRL review consists of reviewing the Level 2 analyses, Level 1 and 2 recommendations, and then sending the evaluation to the project manager for review. Every operations evaluation request submitted by a region engineer is sent to the Region Traffic Representative Liaison, or RTRL. The RTRL is typically one or two of the Region Traffic Unit Managers and is responsible for the following tasks: review the Level 2 analyses and recommendations, review any reports, supporting documents, and analysis links, send the evaluation to the project manager for review, and complete the operations evaluation. After you log in and open the status view, click on the Operations Evaluation RTR Liaison Group layout. Look at the status view and select the project with the status In Progress Level 2 and one that has completed dates in all Level 2 analyses columns. Some analyses may not have completed dates as a Level 2 analysis was not required. First, the RTRL can click on the Recommendations tab at the top of the evaluation to see the Level 1 and Level 2 recommendations. The RTRL can review all the recommendations from the Level 1 and Level 2 analyses as seen here. The recommendations list can be easily cross-referenced with any reports, plans, and specifications as they are produced. The RTRL can come back to see which recommendations were implemented and constructed. Next, the RTRL can go through each location to review the analyses if they prefer. We will not do so now, but we will review one location in the walkthrough. The RTRL will check the notes, documents, and any links that RTRs have loaded for review. When the RTRL is done reviewing the recommendations, the RTRL will click the Eval Complete, Send to PM Review icon on the right-hand side of the screen. When you are done with all of the tasks, click the Save and Close icon to close the evaluation window. You have completed your review and the operations evaluation is complete. You will now view a walkthrough of the RTRL Stage 3 Final Review and Completion workflow. Pause the video at any time to review the process at your own pace. Please keep in mind that this is an example project. Your analysis, data entry, and level of effort will be different on every project.
In our status view window, we will locate and open the project with status in progress -level 2 and completion dates in every level 2 analyses column, as you can see here. We will double click on the project 19192 and wait for the window to open. We will click on the Recommendation tab at the top of the evaluation to see the Level 1 and Level 2 recommendations. We will review all the recommendations from the Level 1 and Level 2 analyses as seen below. The recommendations list can be easily cross-referenced with any reports, plans, and specifications as they are produced and completed. We can come back to see which recommendations were implemented and constructed. Ensure that all recommendations have clear, accurate, and specific descriptions that can help the project manager. We will then click on the Evaluation tab to return to the evaluation screen. Next, we will go into the second location for 025A to review documents, notes, patterns, and recommendations. We won't go into details, but I'll pause at each table. Questions here, documents here, devices for ITS here, notes on the left, patterns for safety and traffic operations, recommendations for safety, operations, and ITS. We'll then click Save and Close when I'm finished. We will now click on the Eval Complete Send a PM Review icon on the right-hand side of the screen. This will send the recommendations and a notification to the PM. It will also signal that the evaluation is complete. Lastly, we will click on the Save and Close icon. The evaluation is done.
Your next steps. Once you have logged in for the first time, wait for your notification that your roles are set up. If you are a project manager, view our PM training manuals and videos on Learning Lane. If you are a Region Traffic Representative Liaison or Region Traffic Representative, view our training manuals and videos on Learning Lane. There is more information at our website, the training site, and more information is also available through the Operation Evaluation Web Tool Administrators. Please contact an administrator with any questions you may have. Their contact information is listed here.